Wow, that sounds like a really helpful video. For your YouTube video, you can give recommendations based on different use cases. Here's a breakdown of best laptop and specifications for programming and coding in 2025. 1. For beginners. For beginners, you don't need super high-end specs. You can go for something affordable but powerful enough to handle basic coding tasks, such as web development or learning Python, Java, etc. Recommended specs. Processor: Intel i5 10th Gen or above, or AMD Ryzen 5. RAM 8 GB. Storage: 256 GB SSD or more. Graphics: integrated graphics, Intel UHD or AMD Vega. Display 13 to 15 inches, Full HD, 1920 by 1080. Example laptops: Dell Inspiron 15, HP Pavilion 14, Lenovo IdeaPad 3. 2 mid-level, intermediate developers. For those who want to do more serious development such as game development, machine learning, or mobile app development, the laptop needs to be more powerful. Recommended specs. Processor: Intel i7 12th Gen or above, or AMD Ryzen 7. RAM: 16 GB. Storage: 512 GB SSD or more. Graphics: dedicated GPU, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 or higher. Display: 15 to 17 inches, Full HD or 4K if working with graphics-heavy projects. Example laptops: Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch, M1 Pro or M2, Dell XPS 15, Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 gaming laptop, great for development too. 3 high-end, advanced developers. For advanced users working on complex tasks like AI or ML development, video editing, 3D rendering, or running virtual machines, a higher-end machine is necessary. Recommended specs. Processor: Intel i9 13th Gen or above, or AMD Ryzen 9. RAM: 32 GB, or more if you're doing serious virtualization or development work. Storage: 1 TB SSD or more. Graphics: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 or higher, or AMD equivalent for machine learning tasks. Display: 15 to 17 inches, 4K or high refresh rate display for better multitasking. Example laptops: Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch, M2 Max or Pro chip, Razer Blade 15 Advanced, Alienware M15 or 7. Other factors to consider: battery life. Look for laptops with long battery life, 8 hours or more. If portability is important. Keyboard quality. Make sure the keyboard is comfortable for long coding sessions. Backlit keyboards can be helpful. Portability. Lightweight and slim designs are great if you travel a lot or work remotely. In your video, you can also mention that MacBooks are a popular choice for web development, especially with the M1/M2 chips due to their efficiency, but Windows laptops are great for compatibility with a wider range of tools. Good luck with the video. Let me know if you need help refining these recommendations. If you have any questions, you can comment me. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.